This week's video showing you how to make Indian restaurant style pilau rice. Fantastic recipe to have, guys. This is a recipe that I've been cooking from the late 90s while I've been at the restaurants. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So firstly, we're going to get the heat on. First thing we're going to do, guys, to make our Indian restaurant style pilau rice is get the heat on. Got 1 tablespoon of ghee. So making pilau rice, ghee is really important because it's used and it gives you a really nice flavour as well. I'm also going to use a tablespoon of vegetable oil. At the restaurants, we make big pots of these rices. At home, I'm just making a small portion for about 2 people. So I'm using 150 grams of rice. So as the oil is getting heated up, guys, I'm gonna add 1 bay leaf. And again, I'm using 1 bay leaf because of the quantity I'm cooking. I'm gonna stick in 2 cinnamon sticks there, and I'm gonna put in 2 cardamom. 1 drop, so let's just leave the 1 in there. Okay. So next thing I've got is 1 tablespoon of Ajwin Seeds. I've got that was 1 teaspoon. And this is also half a teaspoon of Cumin seeds. And this is Shahi Jeera, 1 teaspoon. Right, so let's just get that to... As soon as it starts sizzling, we're going to start adding in other bits and pieces, guys. So it's on low heat at the moment, so control it. As it's doing that, guys, I'm just going to have some Bombay mix. I've made that. I've done a video on that on the YouTube Shorts video, showing you how to make some proper nice Bombay mix. So enjoy that. As soon as you can start smelling the aroma, guys, we're going to add in about 1.5 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. And I've also got half an onion here. You can use red or you can use white onion. I've just had red onion lying around, so I've just used that. I'm going to add some salt, so it's about half a teaspoon. Again, add it to your taste, and if you are cooking a lot more rice, you can increase the quantities of the ingredients that we are doing. Okay, guys, so the onions have gone soft now, so it's time to add in our rice. So as you know, the rice has been washed and it's been soaking, so I'm just going to drain this water out. There we go. We don't want to add any water at this point, okay? So let's get this in here. Put the heat on medium, and all we're going to do now, guys, is roast the rice for a couple of minutes now, to about 2 to 3 minutes. And this technique, if you get this technique, if you do not skip this part, guys, the water ratio it will be perfect every time you make this. So don't skip this part. So just roast this for a couple of minutes on medium heat, medium to low heat. We don't want to burn it. Now roast the rice on low to medium heat for about 2 to 4 minutes and stir continuously. Okay guys, so it's been about 2 to 3 minutes. I've been lightly frying or roasting the rice on low to medium, well, more low heat, I'll say. Let's make the zoom in for you. You can see that. It gets a little bit sticky and so forth, and you can start smelling the aroma of everything being combined. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add in our water. So let's get that back there. So using this method, guys, the water ratio, I'll show you how to do it, is absolutely perfect. I'm just going to put it on low heat. So again, as you can see, I've just put in enough water to cover the rice, okay? Now, the next part, I've put it on low heat just for the time being. Some restaurants don't add any food colouring at this point, some do, and some obviously use the haldi powder to get it yellow. Now the haldi powder, you can use it, sometimes you can get the measurements wrong, and so therefore sometimes you add too much and the rice goes a bit bitter or the colour does not right. So I'm just going to use food colouring. So again, just a tiny bit. Give it a good mix. All I'm going to do now, guys, is leave it on low heat. You can start seeing the rice is starting to get all nice and fluffy now. So just want to leave it now. So leave it on low heat, cover, and just cover it up. Leave it on the lowest heat on the hob, and that should take about 7 to 8 minutes now. So see you soon. Okay guys, so the rice has been cooking on the lowest burner and on the lowest flame for the last 6 minutes or so. So let's get this opened up and see what it's doing. Oh yeah, that's there you go. That is bang on, guys. Check it out. See, the method I've shown you guys, it works every time. So roast the rice first on low to medium heat, and then after you've done that for 2 to 3 minutes, put enough hot water in there to cover it up, and then leave it on the low burner. And now the final thing we're going to do, guys, so I've got some rose water, and with the rose water I'm just going to add 1 to 2 teaspoons of rose water. It is optional. It does make the rice smell really nice. After we've added the rose water, we're going to just leave it off heat for about 5 minutes or so. Okay guys, the final step now. So the rice has been resting after we added some rose water for about 5 minutes or so. So there it is. Check it out. And it smells really good, guys. The rose water and the whole spices give it. It's really nice chicken. Now there you go, nice and fluffy. And there you go, guys, absolutely amazing. This is our Indian restaurant style pilau rice all done. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel with others, and enjoy the recipes, guys.